Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Cloud Print from Android in a simple way. First, remember that Google Cloud Print has been discontinued. Android now uses native print services instead. To check your current print setup, open Settings, go to Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences and tap Printing. Make sure a print service is turned on. One of the best options is the Mopria Print Service app. Download it from the Google Play Store and enable it in the printing settings. Mopria works with many modern Wi-Fi printers and is supported by most major brands. You can also install your printer manufacturer's plugin for better compatibility. For example, use the HP Print Service plugin for HP printers or the Epson Print Enabler for Epson printers. After installing, return to the printing settings and make sure the service is enabled. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection. Your Android phone and printer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they are on different networks, the printer may not appear. If printing still fails, clear the print service cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select the print service plugin you installed, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. You should also restart your phone, printer, and Wi-Fi router. This refreshes the connection between all devices. After restarting, open a document or photo, tap Print, and check if your printer appears correctly. Thanks for watching.